Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you my calendar templates that are made of scripts. So I generate this very complex calendar in just one click. You can say that because it just takes 5 seconds to generate these kinds of calendars. But before I can do this, I work on scripts like this. This is the recent script, the most complex scripts that I was working on recently. And by this script, I just need to input some of the data, such as the day's name in your own language, maybe if you want. And then this is English language, and I also include the year. Like this is the variable for year. I just changed this calendars this year number. I will zoom it. Uh, right, this is 2024. You can zoom. You can change it just this year, and then all of the numbers of years will change as well automatically in just one. How complex it is. So this 2024 calendar is contain the previous and the next views of the month, right? As you can see, this also contains the Java calendar and Hijriah calendar. This is actually a lunar calendar, lunar-based calendar. This is the start calendar and the end of the calendar based on the main months. Like this is Pahing is pasaran. Pasaran is a part of Java calendar. It's just it's a sequence of 5 sequence for the Japanese people. This is very famous for Japanese people and very useful for some event. And then look at this. This is 19 is Java calendar, and then the start of it, and the end of this calendar is Hijriah is also 19. And then you see this is the end. The end of Java calendar is 20. It's also 20. And then Hijriah calendar 19 and it's also 19. It is perfect. I was check all of this and it's fine. There's no error I found. So it means that my program, my logic is working. And I also include the Wuku. Wuku is 30 sequence. This is also my cultural calendar. This is for Japanese maybe. It's only found on Indonesian traditions, right? Wuku is 30 sequence. So I put on the top. This Wuku is represent each month. This discovered the name of each week. Sorry, each week have the name. The name is Wuku, called Wuku. And then I also include notes. This will automatically generate the calendars, red days, and the descriptions. For example, this is Indonesian for the new year 2024, as you can see here. And then the next is Islamic Raj, right? Islamic important Islamic days. And then the 10 is Imlek calendar, New Chinese New Year maybe. Imlek year, yes. So this work as complex as this complexity, I can achieve it just one week. So let's test it. So I just don't save it. I will never save it. Let's close this all and don't save. And I will show you simulating how fast I generate this. So let's back to the software. This software is called extendscript toolkit. This only available for Adobe users because it's included together with Adobe, all of the Adobe software on the current on particular versions. So I have the CS6. It's also include this software. This is for editing. To make a plugin or scripts, it's based on JavaScript actually. You can use it to programs, make your own plugin to Adobe. No matter how you use Adobe, you can also make scripts or any others Adobe, like Adobe Photoshops or InDesign or Auditions, After Effects, and so on. And currently I'm working on Illustrator. So let's try play these scripts and see what this script will do. So this is the button for a click to generate to run the scripts. So one. So I will count from 3, 2, 1. Then this is just 5 seconds. So let's wait a few seconds. Yeah, it's done. So let's take back to Illustrator, and it is it. This is a calendars perfectly generated from scripts, right? So you don't have to save or make a calendar like this manually. And yeah, that's all. So it's very easy. As you can understand the JavaScript, you can make these calendars. And also I use of course I use ChatGPT to help me improve my codes and learning JavaScript as well. So if you want to make kind of like this, you can work together with ChatGPT and working your own logic. Just tell your logic to ChatGPT and they will teach you what the right codes to put on the scripts to the software to work. Because I know ChatGPT also understand the JavaScript of extendscript toolkit for Illustrator. Okay, I hope you have the inspirations how to make calendar, because there's no necessary to make a calendar manually, because it's really wasting our time, right? So you have to make a system instead, and you can use the systems to generate the next year of calendar, and you can use it for any advertising or any business you want. And that's it. So I hope you have ideas, and see you in the next video. Peace.